Hey guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I'm gonna show you how to create a TradingView account or to sign up on TradingView. Let's go, but before we start, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons to watch all the upcoming videos, and let's dive in. So the first thing you need to do is to open your web browser, either Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. It doesn't matter. In my case, I'm using Microsoft Edge, so just go to tradingview.com website. It should be like so. On the top right corner, you will find a person icon. Just click on it and click sign in. On the bottom of the screen, you'll find I don't have an account. Click sign up. This should change to sign up instead of sign in, and you can sign up and create a new account with your Google or Facebook or Twitter or Yahoo or Apple or LinkedIn. And if you don't have any one of these, just click on that regular email. Now I have Facebook, so I'm gonna sign up with my Facebook. I'm gonna click on Facebook and I have to confirm. Okay, I will give it the access. Click continue, and boom, now I have a TradingView account. But if you don't have Facebook or any kind of these accounts, as mentioned, just let me sign out or log out, okay? And I'll click sign up again. Okay, you can sign up with a regular email. Just click on email and put your email here and put any password and check I'm not a robot and click create account. All you need to do now is to go to your email and verify your email and you will have an account. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons to watch all the upcoming videos, and goodbye.